Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. And credits to Master Steve Hack for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. Choose the correct answer. Is it letter A, less than, letter B, equal, or letter C, greater than? Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. First thing to do is to compare these two fractions. To do that, we need to simplify this fraction on the left-hand side. So let's start with the denominator. So we have 27 raised to 27 raised to 27. Now, using some laws of exponent, if we have b raised to n raised to the power of m, it is equal to b raised to n times m. Also, 27 is equal to 3 raised to 3. So we can substitute 27 by 3 raised to 3. And we have 3 raised to 3 raised to 3 raised to 3 raised to 27. Now, applying this law of exponent, we will have 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 81. Because 3 times 27 will give us 21. And 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 81. Now, take note that if we have b raised to n multiplied by b raised to m, it is equal to b raised to n plus m. In our given, we have 3 raised to 1 multiplied by 3 raised to 81. So we have 3 raised to 3 raised to 82. Now, 82 can be written as 2 times 41. Now, apply some laws of exponent again. This becomes 3 raised to 3 squared is 9. So we have 3 raised to 9 raised to 41. Now, as you can see, both denominators are equal. Now, we will use some concept about fraction. If we have two fractions having the same denominator, the larger the numerator, the larger the fraction. Now, let's focus on the numerator 16 raised to 16 raised to 16. So, let's simplify this a little bit. We will use some laws of exponent to simplify this number. And take note that 16 is equal to 2 raised to 4. So, we can substitute 2 raised to 4 to 16. So, we have 2 raised to 4 raised to 2 raised to 4 raised to 16. Now, apply some laws of exponent and we will have 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 64. How do we get 64? Because 4 times 16 is equal to 64. So we have 2 raised to 64 multiplied by 4. That's why we have 4 times 2 raised to 64. Recall that 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2. So we have 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 64. Now apply some laws of exponent and we will have 2 raised to 2 raised to 66. 66 is equal to 2 times 33. Therefore, our number is equivalent to 2 raised to 4 raised to 33 because 2 squared is equal to 4. So we have 2 raised to 4 raised to 33. Now let's compare both numerator. So we have on the left hand side 2 raised to 4 raised to 33 and on the right hand side we have 2 raised to 8 raised to 33. Since we have the same base and their exponent is 4 raised to 33 and the other one is 8 raised to 33, clearly 8 raised to 33 is bigger than 4 raised to 33. It follows that 2 raised to 4 raised to 33 is less than 2 raised to 8 raised to 33. Now, what does it mean? The left hand side is less than the right hand side. Therefore, our answer is letter A, less than. And we're done.